over here with Team ST for the annual skidpad day. I'm actually really excited for this because with whole COVID and lockdown and stuff, I didn't think it was going to actually happen. So really excited for this to be on today. And yeah, it's been a while since I've raced and done a skidpad day. So the last time was with them, and I actually placed third in the open class. Only two Subarus beat me, so we'll see what happens today. Can't wait to race again and show you guys my driving skills. So enjoy the video and let me know what you guys think. So as you can see, we just finished setting up here. Just have to go give in our forms quickly. As you can see, they're busy setting out the track here. So big oval skidpad or round skidpad. Two of the same style courses on both sides. Opponents racing against each other. So yeah, pretty excited to see how it's going to go. So we're just going to go get registration done, and yeah, then we'll resume. Okay guys, I'm getting I'm a bit nervous. I'm getting ready for my first run against the Focus RS, the 2.5, the Mark II. So yeah, I'm going to give you some in-car footage, and then later on with another round or two, I'll give you some out-car footage and some dash cam. So yeah, stay tuned.
Yes. Caddy is oorspronklik gebou vir die skippads en heavy tide Gymkhanas en sulke goeders, maar ons gebruik hom ook maar deesdae op 'n bietjie langer bane op.
Okay.
Ja, enigiets performance wise, poliere fyn, custom, ons doen daai tipe goed.
Wat motor is in die Golfie? Of in die caddy?
Hier is 'n 2 liter 20 valve Polo Cup motor. Nader aan 'n S2000 Polo rally motor.
Yes, okay.
Hy so 14 tot 1 compression ratio.
Okay, flex.
Met 'n 6-spoed radkas, LSD. Hy is so 176 kW op die flywheel.
Flex. Vir die gewig wat hy is dit insane.
Met normal aspirated, ja. Krag so van 4000 tot 8100.
Yes.
Dryf hom tot so 8-7.
Okay.
En ja.
Awesome, dankie man. guys, we're going to be going for a drift in the Mustang on the skid pan. Yeah, can't wait.
It's a 2020 Ford Mustang GT 5-litre V8, brand new.
And your dad said that you do advanced driving courses as well.
Yeah, I haven't done it professionally, but this is my second time on the skid pan here.
Oh yeah,
Ready to start. Just get it to.
There you go. Definitely you've done the courses, damn. Well done. So easily, love it.
No, it doesn't always let you slide how I want it to.
Traction still kicks in.
Yeah, no, it kicks out of it. Even when I was flat.
Yeah. The G's are insane. He knows how to handle this fucking Mustang. Damn. What a way to finish. Thank you, man. Thank you so much.
Cool.
Really
Cheers, guys.
appreciate it. Sure. Okay guys, so that's the end of it. I thought I was going to win something, I didn't, but there's always a next time. Can't wait to actually make the car faster, and then we'll see if I can compete with some of the faster cars. But AJ had a fun time as well. He almost shot himself when a guy gave him a ride in a 135. It was insane. We both got to get a ride along in a Mustang. Hey guys, sorry, it wasn't the end. Just wanted to say some quick words. Just after today and yeah, everything that happened, just want to say, like, don't be afraid to do things that that you actually want to, because you're scared other people are going to judge you. As long as you're enjoying yourself, that's all that matters. No matter what everyone else thinks or says, as long as you enjoy yourself. This is a prime example, as everyone here has STs and crazy cars that you guys will see on the videos, and here I am with a Figo, and obviously there is some judgment, but I don't give a shit. I just went and enjoyed myself and had a fucking awesome time, and AJ had a great